Hello, my name is Nicholas Hettler. I'm the CTO of company CDA, which is based in Germany, in Thuringia. I have the pleasure to walk you through our short presentation about reflow stable materials. And here we go. First, of course, I'm going to walk you very briefly through our company presentation. I will talk a little bit about diffusers, and last but not least, about the most important thing, the reflow stable polymers used with our diffusers. Who is CDA? CDA is a typical mid-sized German company based in Suhl, which is the geographical center of Germany. And we do have offices in Shanghai and in Mumbai. What do we do? CDA is a manufacturer for polymer micro-optics on wafer level. And we offer the whole portfolio from optic design over prototyping up to serial or mass manufacturing. Who are our clients? Our clients coming mainly from the consumer electronic or from the automotive sector or from industrial. We support our clients with 25 years of experience because customized polymers or customized products always means bringing together the best fitting materials, but also processes that work for the best outcome for our clients. Let's talk a little bit about CDA's processes. Manufacturing customized products means we always deal with the intellectual property of our clients. Therefore, we prefer to have all processes in-house. And we also add each year new processes, which are complementary or really new. So we can offer from the tooling over different replication processes, over stacking, coating, many needed and important processes to manufacture your product. Production takes place in clean room between class 10 and class 10,000, and we have an installed capacity of 150 million pieces a year. The volume production from CDA takes place since 2008. In the meantime, we have delivered several 100 million pieces, which you can find out in the market, and I'm sure you have seen one of them in the one or the other way earlier. Let's talk about diffusers. We offer diffusers. Mainly, these are all customized diffusers. Means our designers take hand on them and do the magic for an input beam coming in, shaping it to the desired output beam profile, like you can see here on this slide, where we have a top hat profile. Basically, customized diffusers are either MLA structures, means refractive optics, or made from diffractive structures. Both of them have advantages or also disadvantages, but we select the approach for the design always according to the customer needs to give the best output. If we talk about materials, I mentioned before that we work only with polymers, and therefore we have a big and wide portfolio from different polymers. And we always follow here also the approach to select the right material which fits to the customer's application. But today we want to talk, of course, about reflow stable material, which I present here in this table, a reflow stable acrylic resin, which is UV cured and used in many applications so far. Why we are sure this material is reflow stable? Well, we have done several tests. One test method is that the wafer passes 5 times a typical reflow test temperature profile, as you can see on the right side uphill. So that we measure, of course, the optical products before and after. We measure various characteristics, angular characteristics, diffraction efficiency, and zero order. What we found after these wafers have passed 5 times through this temperature profile, the angular characteristics did not change at all, as you can see in the right side. The diffraction efficiency also did not change at all. The zero order decreased. This can be compensated by optic design. So, and I hope I started your interest about our products and our manufacturing and design capabilities. We would be really happy if you would contact us. You can see all my contact data here at the end, and I'm happy to start any discussion with you and your team. Thank you very much